We interrupt your regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I say again, this is not a test. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has discovered that the aliens discovered 2 weeks ago have now begun to destroy everything it sees. There are very few humans left on the Earth and have been fighting off the aliens to no avail. Unfortunately, all hope has been lost. The aliens are immoral. Every single human will be dead within the next hour. At this time, gather all loved ones and anything that makes you feel comfortable and embrace for the end. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with the final playing of the national anthem.